Hey y'all, how's it going? I'm in the mood for soup tonight, and the Blackstone's great for a lot of things, but one thing it's not great for is soup. So we're gonna move inside to the Emeril air fryer, pressure cooker, whatever it's called. Hold on. So I'm cheating. I'm making this. I'm gonna make it in this. I have it on saute right now. Why do I have it on saute? Because I'm going to saute some beef, and I'm going to throw in some veggies, garden veggie hash. And actually, I don't think I'll saute. Maybe I'll saute that. I think I will with the meat. Then I'm going to, instead of cooking this in a pot like it says, I'm going to cook it in here, and it's going to be yummy. I'll use some, usually I'll use some broth instead of water. This time I'm going to use water, but I'll throw in some better than bouillon, because it really gives a rich flavor. And actually, all we have is chicken. Maybe I'll use beef broth then. And if you want to use your cooker, air fryer, instead of a pan like anything says, if it says 15 minutes, you can figure about 7 to 8 minutes in the cooker, and I actually prefer it that way. So that's what's cooking, and I won't bore you with all the sauteing and all that, but soup's gonna be on soon. Okay, it's time for the big unveiling. Looky there, looky there. Another good, oh, steam. Look at that. The pressure cooker function really makes the veggies and everything. The pasta absorbs more water. It doesn't taste as artificial as if you just cooked it on the stove top. So yummy, yummy, yummy in my tummy. I'm gonna eat. That's it. That's all you need to see. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, and all the wonderful things you do. And most importantly, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Bye!